Morning guys, it's Friday and Shane is going to school today, so we are in the traffic light waiting for the green light. Nice street lane. See? Up. So we're going to the bus stop. We're waiting for the bus 180 going to Bukit Batok. So this one guys in front of Helion Mall. Stingray is there standing waiting for the bus 180. And this is the bus stop here in front of Helion Mall guys. So bus 180 is already here guys. And Stingray is going to the bus. I will not follow her in Bukit Batok only unless if it's raining. Then my mom asked me to follow her. Her mom asked me, my boss. Okay, so Shen already riding the bus 180. I'm waiting for the bus to go so I can go and walking exercise. So this is front of Helion Mall guys. And you see the two train over there. Nice weather today. Okay, so Stingray go already. She already ride bus. The bus 180 will go turn around and go inside the interchange, going inside the Helion Mall. And you see guys, this month is ghost month. That's why so many praying. So the thing is, you do not step on them, just avoid them because that is their prayer, like offering for their ancestors, and we should respect it. So yeah, I'm going to walk, going to the park right now. Going to show you the way. So yeah, let's go. Earlier we were there going to the bus stop. So you see guys, there's many food and candlestick, and the food the birds is eating it right now. So yeah, now is in Jilibo Road. This is HDB 185. And the neighborhood over there is the house. That neighborhood is the same color. And this side also is different color. That means different number of HDB. Okay. Bye guys. That is the bus stop. And then here is, oh, I don't know how many floors the building here. My friend stay here. Sis Delia, shout out. Ati Delia. So this is the Passover crossover bridge that I always take a video. Bye guys.